Hello, this is Theo Marshall of MarineMax Boston, and I'm aboard the 2019 Sailfish 270 center console. Starting at the back here, we have 250 horsepower 4-stroke Mercury engines with a live well and a boarding ladder. You have your padded transom bench along with cup holders, rod holders, and the inverted tow post. You'll notice along the side tow rails for when you're fishing, and a beautiful prep station with a sink, cup holders, and extra storage. You'll notice the hardtop, 4 rod holders, lights, as well as the stereo speakers. Here at the helm, you have the stainless steel helm, your throttle, your gauges, Garmin display, switches, and Fusion stereo, along with some storage on top of the console directly behind the helm and directly above. The padded seats go right down, give you a nice, comfortable layout. As we make our way up to the bow, you'll notice the interior of the console has a head, as well as plenty of extra storage room, sink, and your bow table that can be situated at the bow. Up in the front of the console, we have a padded seat which doubles as a Yeti cooler. The deep bow of the 270 center console Sailfish makes it a very safe boat and a very comfortable boat as well, with storage under both the starboard side and port side cushions. And with this accessory, you can easily set up a backrest, be comfortable for the ride. At the front here, you have your anchor hold, with plenty of railing and boat cleats going alongside the boat. Again, this is the 2019 Sailfish 270 center console. For any additional questions or information, please give us a call at 781-875-3619. Thank you.